Okay, we'll start. We have missed a few questions. Yesterday we'll do that and do that. Do this question now. A triangle ABC, etc., etc. Answer this question in 2 minutes. AB is 12, AC is 6. AD is internal angular bisector. Find AD. Or if you can see the questions. Particularly, they started now with this question. 2 minutes is the time given. We'll send it to you tomorrow. Tomorrow. Sorry, I couldn't send it today, Rogan. I'll send it to you tomorrow. All of you are trying this? All of you are trying this question? Two minutes over. You want some more time or should we discuss? 2 minutes over. You want some more time or discuss? Shall we discuss? Right. What's the area of a triangle? What's the area of a triangle? Half base into height, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, half ab sine c. We know that the area of triangle is half ab sine c. We know that the area of triangle is half ab sine c. Yes or no? Do we know this or not? Let's see a board. Yeah. What's the area of a triangle BAD? What is the area of triangle ABD? Half of AD into 12 into sine 60. What is the area of triangle ADC? Half of AD into 6 into sine 60. What's the area of triangle ABC? Half of 12 into 6 into sine 120. When I add equation 1 and 2, will I get the area of the triangle ABC or not? Adding 1 and 2, you get AD is 4. So we have to, I told you yesterday also that we have to use the formula for area of triangle. Half AB sine C, half BC sine A, half CA sine B. So we can find the area of triangle and find the answer. Are we clear with the question? How did you get the similarity here, Ratan? It started only with this question, Ankit. It started at 9:30 exactly and started with this question, Ankit. Now, Ratnesh Singh, how can similar triangle come? I know angle BAD equals angle BAC. I don't know about the other two angles. I don't know what's angle ABD. I don't know what's angle ACD. I also don't know what is angle ADB. I don't know angle ADC. I don't think we can use similarity here. I don't think you can use similarity here. But then AD is common. AD is common. How does it help you? How do you know BD equals DC? Remember, AD is an internal angular bisector. Oh, it's not so always, Ratnesh Singh. If the angles are same, the sides need not be same. Because here one side is 12, the other side is 6. Remember triangle ABD, AB is 12, AC is 6. Only if the angles are same in the same triangle, it will be equal. I know BD is twice of CD. BD is twice of CD, Abhishek, I understand. But BD and DC are not equal. Therefore, the best way to do it is compare the areas. Right, next one. Take down. This is a CAT 2008 question. This is a CAT 2008 question. Do it in 2 minutes. 1 second, Ajay. You asked me some question. What's the question? Yes, Ankit, what's your doubt? Okay, I'll come back. We'll go to the previous question. What do you want in this, Ankit? Area of triangles of AB sin C, we know that, isn't it, Ankit? Yeah, area of triangles of AB sin C. I use the triangle. Area of triangle AB is nothing but half of AD into 12 into sin 60. Ajay, are you clear? AB by BD equals? No, yeah. What we know is AB by AC equals BD by DC. Right, that's clear. Yeah, this is definitely true. That's definitely true. Ankit, are you clear? Now, next question. Take the next question. This is a CAT. The next question is a CAT 2008 question. Do it in 2 minutes. What's the doubt you ask, Ankit? AD is a perpendicular, length of AD is 3. AD is a perpendicular, length of AD is, there's no choice 3 there. I've given the choices 17.05, 22.25, 26.25, 27.85, Ankit. You are answering this question or the previous question? What's the answer? The figure will be something like this. Question, I had requested yesterday that any answer should be posted privately till it's open for discussion. Dubli Ghosh, please note that. Give the answers in private till we open it for discussion. Ghosh, clear? Yes. What's the area of a triangle? Half base into height. It's also equal to ABC by 4R. There's no need to find the value of A. I think most of us will have wasted time trying to find the value of A. That's not needed. So substituting, you get the value as 26.25. Area is half base into height. area is also equal to ABC by 4R. The third side BC is not needed. Remember, the learning from this question is, in a data sufficiency equation like this, is BC needed or not needed? Is BC needed or not needed? If I have a perpendicular to one side, that's not needed. No, that's a learning from this question. So the learning from this question is, if two sides are given and the perpendicular to the third side is given, if you are asked to find out circumradius, the third side is not needed. That's a learning from this question. Right? All of us are clear? Shall we go to the next question? And what I said was, if two sides are given, let's say if I'm given this side and this side, we'll go to the whiteboard. I have two sides here, 10, 12. Perpendicular is given as 5. Can I find the circumradius? For this, do I need to know AC? No. That's ideal. There is no need to note down AC. That is critical when you do the question. The idea of learning that question is this. That's the reason why I wanted to note down what is important. Right, next one. Take the, what's a maximum area of equilateral triangle that can be inscribed in a unit square? Do this question. Hello? Somebody else. Whatever, you can, they have really, I have approved the decision or not? Okay, right, okay. That's 0.4 here, not 0.4, it's 0.4. The first choice is 0.4. First choice is 0.4, not 0.4 is not, it's 0.4. Yes, others have found out what to do. In case it's 0.4, not 0.4. How do we do this question? Shall we discuss? Yes. Now, an equilateral triangle inscribed in a square like this. So let's take angle EDC is theta, angle ADF as alpha. I don't know what's angle theta, what's angle alpha, but alpha plus theta must be 30 degrees. Why alpha plus theta must be 30 degrees? What is this angle? So we know that alpha plus theta must be 30 degrees. Now from triangle DEC, if I call the side as x, this is x. From what is cos theta from triangle DEC? BC by X. Therefore, X becomes secant theta. X becomes secant theta. Similarly, from triangle BAF, cos alpha is DC, not DC, DF by X. X equals secant alpha. That means secant theta equals secant alpha. Means theta equals alpha equals 15 degrees. Are we clear? Secant theta equals secant alpha. That means theta equals alpha equals 15 degrees. From triangle DAF, what is cos alpha? Adjacent side by hypotenuse or not? Broken. From triangle DAF, cos alpha is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse or not? That is DF by X. Base by hypotenuse, AD by X. See, remember, theta is nothing but, I am trying to prove that theta and alpha are same. Theta and alpha are same. Theta and alpha are same. Are we clear? Theta and alpha are same. This is AD by X. And maybe I have written wrongly. It's a typographical error. AD by X, which means 1 by X equals cos alpha. X is secant alpha. But X should be same or not. Therefore, secant theta equals secant alpha. Theta equals alpha equals 15 degrees. How do you get this is like this? I want a maximum area. Supposing I have an equilateral triangle drawing using this. Let's say I have 60 degrees here, I have 60 degrees here. I have to draw a figure like this because this is 90 degrees. You understand? Why do you get this figure? It's like this. I have a figure like this. What is this angle? 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So two sides cannot come. We have to start with one side. And I should have 60 degrees here. It'll go like this or not? Do you understand, Ajay Karthik? That's your doubt. Now, the angle here is 90 degrees. But equilateral triangle, the angle is 60 degrees. So I have to start from one vertex. If I draw 60 degrees, it cannot hit the other side, other vertex. It can go only like this. Are we clear? Prabhakar, are we clear? And let's take a triangle like this. I'll do that. I have a square like this. Obviously, I have to take one vertex as a point of concurrence so that I can have the area maximum. Because this side is 1, this side is 1, this side is 1, this side is 1, this side is 1. I have to have 60 degrees from here. I have to have 60 degrees from here. It should be like this. Are we clear? Because this is 60. Why not what? Ankit, why not what? You want to have a side like this. Want 60 degrees here. Yeah? And if that side is 1, this side also should become 1 because we are looking at equilateral triangle. If this is 1, this should be 1 means this should join here. Are we looking at equilateral triangle or are we looking at right angle triangle, Ankit? Are we looking at equilateral triangle or looking at not like this? How do you get this? So I have a triangle like this. I have to have 60 degrees. You are saying take an angle here. Like this. Ankit, are you saying like this? Now, what is the side 1? This also will become 1. This will also become 1 or not. If we take one side as it, so that means we are not maximizing. We are not maximizing here. This side will be more than 1 or not. If I write like this will be more than 1. This will be more than 1. Are we clear? This will be more than 1. This will be more than 1. This will be more than 1. And are you clear now? Yeah, that's the reason how you get the figure like this. This should be AD. AD or DC doesn't make a difference. So secant theta, so theta is 15 degrees. Are we clear? Theta and alpha are 15 degrees. Are we clear? Right. Now, what's the area of triangle DEF? Root 3 by 4 into secant square theta, which is the same as 1 by cos squared 15. I can find out what is cos 30. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is this? 2 cos squared 15 minus 1. From this I can find cos squared 15. Can I find out cos squared 15 from this and answer the question? It becomes 0.4641. Are you clear with the orientation of the triangle? Are you clear with the orientation of you asked me the orientation. Is the orientation clear? No side can be a part of the triangle. If any side is a part of the equilateral triangle, the area cannot be maximum. Clear? I don't know. I'll come to that. What is this angle? I'll Ankit, wait, I'll say Ratnesh. This angle is theta. This angle is alpha. Are you clear, Ratnesh? Ratnesh, are you online? If this angle is theta, that angle is alpha. Now, from this triangle CDF, DEC, what is cos theta? DC by X. DC by X, are you clear? Base by hypotenuse X. Are you clear with that? Next, take this alpha. Again, in the second triangle DAF, cos alpha is nothing but AD by DF. So, X is secant theta from this triangle. X is secant alpha from this triangle. Both should be equal or not? Ratnesh, X equals secant theta from triangle. Therefore, theta equals alpha. Theta equals alpha. Yes? Which page I should scroll up? You have scrolled on your dial. You have scrolled it on your screen, Karthik. Karthik, you have to scroll up your screen. Are we clear? Ratnesh, are you clear how the angle is 50 degrees? Ratnesh, are you clear? What's the area of a triangle? What's the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a squared. A here is secant theta. What's the area of an equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a squared or not? Ratnesh, what's the area of equilateral triangle? A is now I call taken as X here. X is secant theta. X is secant theta or not? Ratnesh, X is secant theta? Right. I mean, Ankit, I have answered your question. Yeah. We'll go to the next question. Which formula are you asking? This one. This one? Yeah. See, we have learned in the school. What is cos A plus cos B? Now, what is cos of A plus A? We have cos A minus sin A, which is cos squared A minus sin squared A. This is cos 2A. Can I write it as cos squared A? What is sin squared A? 1 minus cos squared A. So this is 2 cos squared A minus 1. Also equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared A. So cos 2A can be written in 3 formats. Is also equal to cos squared A minus sin squared A. Cos 2A is nothing but 2 cos squared A minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin squared A, or cos squared A minus sin squared A. Clear? Next one. This is a CAT 2005 question. Do this CAT 2005. 2 minutes. So again, I have no other method for the other previous question. That's how it should be done. Right, let's look at the question. Shall we solve it together? Or you are trying? Okay, try. I'll give you another 1 minute. Yes. Shall we discuss or you are trying? Rakesh, I told you not to post answers in public. Then I'll start discussing. There's no point in somebody posting answers to all participants. Right. Now take the triangle ABC. Take a triangle DEC. I've taken 2 triangles outside so that we understand the question easily. I've taken triangle DBC outside and ABC outside. We know that angle A equals angle BCB. Angle B is common. That means the two triangles are similar. BCD equals BAC. The triangles are similar. Are you clear with that? I have taken two triangles outside for better understanding. So it becomes triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, sides opposite equal angles are proportional. From this we get AC as 8, AB as 16, AD as 7. BC by DB equals AC by DC equals AB by BC. Substituting the values we know, we find AC as 8, AB as 16, AD as 7. So perimeter of triangle ADC and triangle BDC is 21 by 27, which is 7 by 9. So when you don't try to keep the figure together, if necessary, you can even draw two things outside so that we understand the question better. I have taken two triangles, cut out of the bigger triangle so that we understand the similarity easily. Once we understand the similarity easily, then I can start solving the questions easily. All of us are clear? Are we clear with this? Yes. Remember, if it's needed, you can even draw it out and do that. Amarandeep, are you clear with the triangles I have drawn out? Amarandeep, are you clear with the triangles I have drawn out? Yes. Now, the two triangles are similar. Then, it's always a better approach because we can understand the sides easily and clean. If I try to get two triangles outside, it makes it easy for me to understand. Otherwise, I'll miss out some numbers somewhere. We know that BC by DB equals AC by DC equals AB by BC. We know BC 12, DB is 9, AC I don't know, but I know DC is 6. From that I get the values. Once I fill out the values, it becomes easier. 7 by 9. It's always easier, otherwise we'll get confused while taking it. Next one. This is a simple question. I think it has come quite often. Take this question. In a triangle ABC, if it's not similarity, the question will give some other information to do that. If it's not similar, some more information will be there. We will be able to do the template. If it's not similar, there will be some other method of solving that question. Depends on the question. I'll do that. Let's do this question and come. This is a cat question. What I've given, I'll come to the template. This is a cat question. In triangle ABC, angle B is X, angle A is 2X. BC is A, C is B, AB is C. Which of the following is true? It's a CAT 2010 question if my memory is right. It's a CAT 2010 question. I'll finish this and discuss, Pragnesh. I'll finish this question and come back and discuss that. Right, Pragnesh? How do you do this question? Already 1 minute gone. Do it in 1 more minute. Already 1 minute gone, so I've given 1 minute. All of you hear me? Now, it takes time. And is there a choice which says cannot be determined? The question is there a choice which says cannot be determined? Is there a choice which says none of this? It doesn't say none of this cannot be. So it should be true for any triangle or not. It should be true for any value of x or not. Take x as 30. What happens to it? Take x as 30. This is 30 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is given as C. This is given as BC is given as A. Is it a right angle triangle? I've written correctly? Yes. Should be true for right angle triangle or not? So look at it like that. Look at it like that. If there's no choice which says cannot be determined, none of this. Yeah, we should look at something like this. If no choice says none of this cannot be determined. But how do you do it mathematically? We know that A by sine A equals B by sine B equals C by sine C equals 2R. We know that A by sine A equals B by sine B equals C by sine C equals 2R. All of us are clear? You know A by sine A equals B by sine B equals C by sine C equals 2R? Yes. Now, you want the proof of that. In case you want the proof of this, I'll give you after this question is discussed. After this question is discussed, I'll do it. Now, A by sine 2x equals B by sine x equals C by sine 3x. Why sine 3x here? I declare why sine 3x here. How many are clear with this? How many are not clear? Because the third angle is 180 minus 3x. What is sine of 180 minus 3x? No, not external angle. Sine of 180 minus 3x is sine 3x. That's the reason it becomes sine 3x. Now, take the first two equations. A by B equals sine 2x by sine x, which means A by B is 2 cos x. I have taken these two. A by B is sine 2x by x. A by B is 2 cos x. Now take the other equation. A by C is sine 2x by sine 3x. What is sine 3x plus sine x? What is sine 3x plus sine x? 2 sine 2x cos x. Dividing by sine 2x, we get sine 3x by sine 2x plus sine x by sine 2x equals 2 cos x. Substitute the values, we get the answer. A square equals B square in plus BC. We know that sine 3x by sine 2x is C by B. Are you clear with this? Up to this you are clear? Is this clear? Is this, all of you are able to hear me or not? Are you able to hear me? No, not clear is okay. Do you hear me or not? All of you are able to hear me? Yes. Now, A by sine 2x equals B by sine x. What is A by B? Sine 2x by sine x. What is sine 2x? What is sine 2x? 2 sin x cos x. From that you get A by B is 2 cos x. This is the first derivation. Now, what is A by C? Using the first term and the last term of the equation, sine 2x by sine 3x. Rogan, I'll go through my solution, then I'll look at your solution. Right. Now, we know that sine 3x plus sine x is 2 sine 2x plus cos x. Because what is sine A plus sine B? What is sine A plus sine B? 2 sine A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Now divide by sine 2x to get sine 3x by sine 2x plus sine x by sine 2x equals 2 cos x. What is sine 3x by sine 2x? C by A. What is sine x by sine 2x? B by A. 2 cos x is A by B. Substituting, rearranging, you get A square equals B into B plus C. All of us are clear with the solution now? Ankit, are you clear with the solution now? Abhijyoti is a. What step you want me to reply? This one? Ankit, and Amit, you want to reply this or this? Or this? This step. This one. 1, 2, 3. This one. Is this the one you are asking, Ankit? Divide by sine 2x on all sides. I'm dividing both the sides by sine 2x. When I divide by sine 2x, sine 3x by sine 2x, sine x by sine 2x equals 2 cos x. Are we clear with the solution now? Abhijyoti, is the solution clear? Sine 3x plus sine x, how to know this? Remember, I have an expression, right? I have an expression A by sine 2x. I have an expression B by sine 3x. I have an expression C by sine 3x. I don't think it's possible without using a trigonometric formula. I'm saying in the CAT, they have started using sine C by sine 3x. How did I get this is your doubt? Radical, is this your doubt? Radical, is this your doubt? What is this angle? Radical, what is this angle? What is sine 180 minus theta? What is sine 180 minus theta? Radical? The school we have learned sine 180 minus theta is what? Sine theta. That's why I wrote that. Are you clear, Radical? Okay, we'll go to the next question. Yes, somebody wanted a question. Who wanted the question? That said, I'll discuss this question and come back. Rogan, you said 1 by 2a c sin x equals 1 by 2bc sin x. How do you get that? The proof that is easy, Ankit. I'll come to that. I have a triangle like this. I'll explain this and come back. I'll come to this, Aparajita Rao, or I'll answer this question and come. From any point I can draw a diameter. From any point I can draw a diameter. Let BD be a diameter. What is BD? 2 circumradius. Join this. What is this angle? 90 degrees. Ankit, I'm explaining to you. If this is angle A, what will be this angle? What is sine A from this triangle? BC by 2R. BC is conventionally called as A. From this you get A by sine A equals 2R. Similarly, I can prove B by sine B equals 2R. Similarly, I can prove C by sine C equals 2R. Yes, Gaurav Chaudhary, I'll come to that. We know that angle A is what? 60 degrees. Angle B is 30 degrees. Angle C is 90 degrees. Are you clear, Gaurav? This side is called C. What is given there? The question I have to look at. AB is given as C. Then BC is A. So this is what you know, C square equals A square plus B square or not? Gaurav, we know that C square equals A square plus B square or not? Now, how do you arrive at this solution? That's your question or not? From this, how do you arrive at the solution? Okay. Try perpendicular here. What will happen to this? If CD is a perpendicular to BA, area of triangles of AB is also equal to C by CD. I'll get CD in this case. CD is nothing but AB by C. I can square this and square this, get the square this and square this and get the square. That takes time. You can always do like this, 30, 60 and do that question. You get 30, 60, 90. Tan 60. What is tan 60? Is it audible or not? Wait some time. Buffering. Is it audible now? Yes. What is tan 60 from here, Gaurav? A by B is root 3. A by B is root 3. So this becomes A root 3. And sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Substitute the values and get the answer. Gaurav, are you clear? Substitute the values in terms of 1 and see which satisfies this. That is for the next question. I'll come back. For this, I don't think I need to use it. Remember, if the side is A, this will be A root 3, this will be root 3 A by 2. Substitute the values and check it out. Here, if I don't get the sign formula, but this can be used only when there is, this can be used only when there is no choice which says cannot be determined. There is no choice which says none of this. Otherwise, I can't do this. Right. I'll come back to this question. I'll come back to the next question, some other question. Ruchika, right? Next one. Take this. This question has come in various format. Yeah. This question has come in various format in CAD, ZAT, and other things. ABC is an isosceles triangle. If AB equals AC equals 60, AD equals 56. Pragnesh, I'll come back to this. Last 5 minutes, I'll spend time on the question you missed when you have net disconnection. That's what you said, no, Pragnesh? Pragnesh, you are looking at that question, isn't it? Yeah, we'll finish. At last 10 minutes, I'll spend. I'll finish the questions and then come back. ABC is an isosceles triangle. If AB equals AC equals 60, AD is 56, AD is any line, find BD is 29, find CD. He has nothing to do with that. In the drawing is by me. The question did not give any drawing. The drawing is made by me to explain. The question says like this: ABC is an isosceles triangle. If AB equals AC equals 60, AD is 56, AD is any line, BD is 29, find CD. Yes, shall we discuss? I think we are getting slow on that. We'll discuss. Okay. Now, because this question has come regularly, I'll give you a method for doing this. Draw AE perpendicular. ABC is an isosceles triangle, therefore BE equals EC. B equals EC or not? Because ABC is an isosceles triangle, BE equals EC. Are we clear with that? Next one. From triangle ABE, we get AE square equals AB square minus BE square. AE square from triangle AED is also AD square. Looking at that, you can easily understand. Are we clear with this step? Are we clear with this step? AB square minus AD square equals BE plus ED into BE minus ED. Substituting. Is this sentence clear? From this, is this clear? Is this clear? Because BE equals EC. Then substitute it. What I should remember this question is, in an isosceles triangle, if this is x and this is y, x squared minus y squared equals BD into DC. That's a learning from this question. If x squared minus y squared equals BD into CD, next time I should do it faster. This is an easy thing to remember. If it's an isosceles triangle ABC, if AB is x, AD is y, x squared minus y squared equals BD into CD. That I should remember. It's not difficult to remember either. Shall we go to the next question? Take this question, answer it in 2 minutes. Similar concept, do it in 2 minutes. Do it in 2 minutes. Shweta, don't put the answers in public. Okay, let's look at it. What did you learn in the previous question? We learned that it was what is 9 squared minus y squared equals BD into DC. From the previous concept we learned or not, 9 squared minus y squared equals this. Therefore, y is 7. By similar logic, z is also 7. You get the perimeter as 58. You get the perimeter as 58. 9 squared minus y squared equals 4 into 8, 32. You get 58. It's a simple question. If I remember, x squared minus y squared equals BD into DC. We'll go to the next question. Okay, I'll give you one question before that. Take down. Take down this question. I don't think I have it on PPT. Take down. I have a triangle ABC. If you are not clear, tell me. Triangle ABC. This is 16. This is 16. It is any line 12. How many triangles can be drawn such that BD and DC are integers? Take down. How many triangles can be drawn such that BD and DC are integers? I repeat, ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB equals 16. AC equals 16. AD is 12. How many triangles can be drawn if BD and DC are integers? Are you clear with the question? If BD and DC are integers. Are you clear with the question? All of you are clear with the question? AB is 16, AC is 16, AD is 12, BD and DC are integers. How many triangles can be drawn? BD and DC can take different integer values. D can be any line. D can be any point on line BC. Choices are 10, 5, 4, 2. Choices are 10, 5, 4, 2. Logan, yes. How different is it 5? How 10, Naveen? Shivam, how is it 10? What do we know here? 16 square minus 12 square equal to what? So BD into DC is 112. Remember, you are forgetting one thing. Sum of two sides must be greater than third side or not? No factorizing, Nikunj. You have to be very, very careful here. It's not factorizing alone. BD cannot be 112. Wait, Rishika, I'm coming to you. You can't have 112 and 1 here because it can't be a triangle. Sum of two sides must be greater than third side or not? 16 plus 16 must be greater than 113. So 112 into 1 not possible. 56 into 2 not possible. 28 into 4 not possible. Then 16 into 7. 14 into 8. 16, 7. 14, 8. If you reverse that, it's only a notional change. Richika, it's only a notional change if you say 16, 7 and 7, 16. 14, 8 and 8, 14 are notional changes. So the answer could be 2 and not 4. Is it clear, Richika? Now, why did I give this question? Why did I give this question? How 20 and 20 comes? How 20, 20 is possible? Yeah, correct answer is 2. Ankit. Now, Rogan, I didn't understand 20, 20. How do you get 20, 20? I don't think 20, 20 is possible. Rogan, 20, 20 is definitely not possible. Is 20, 20 possible? Definitely not possible. Do you know that x squared minus y squared equals? Now, Roshan Pandey, there's a point here. It can be a disputed one. I call this as this is 16.7. Wait for a few seconds, it will come back. Is it buffering now? Are you able to hear me now? I'll remove my video so that, yeah, that's all. The buffers for some time. Please bear with me. Now, why did I give this question? Basically, why did I give this question? Please remember a few things in that. I'm not worried about answering this question. This I want you to note down. When I prepare for CAT, I should remember this. X squared minus y squared equals BD into DC. Then, what should you know? BD plus DC should be less than 2x, note down. BD plus DC should be less than 2x. Please write down this. BD plus DC should be less than 2x. Then only you can have a triangle. Rogan, I'll come back to that. This is only for isosceles triangle. This is only for AB and AC are equal. Only if AB and AC are equal. Remember, most important is BD plus DC should be. How many of you missed out this when you gave an answer? I want you to post. How many of you missed this out when you posted an answer? So you have to be careful. This should be avoided. Right. Coming back, Abhijit Jyoti, Saka, if it's an equivalent triangle, it's easy. Very, very easy. Everything is x, x. This also is x. When I draw this, y. When I draw a proper, same thing will hold good for equivalent triangle. But equivalent triangle, I will not do this, Saka, because I can do it easily. Because equivalent triangle has got many, many facilities which can be done easily. Are they clear? Abhijit, yes. Tell me, Abhishek. Abhishek, tell me what's your doubt? Ankit, what's your doubt? Why is it less than 2x? Sum of two sides must be greater than third side. Remember, Ankit, Marka, sum of two sides must be greater than third side. X plus x should be greater than BC or not. That's all. But I don't know it's a right angle triangle, Rogan. Rogan, the given, I never said the triangle is right angle triangle. I never said the triangle is right angle triangle, isn't it? Which data satisfies here? Tell me here. How does 20 satisfy here? You are assuming it to be right angle triangle. You are assuming it to be right angle triangle or not? So, Rogan, you are assuming AD is an altitude. No, you are writing, no, I understand your point. You are assuming AD is an altitude. You are assuming AD is an altitude? Yes. But I said AD is any line. I wanted answer which is independent of the lines. And 20 plus 20, if you write here, it's not possible because sum of two sides must be greater than third side or not, Rogan. If it is 16 plus 16, 32. 32 should be greater than BC or not. Yes. So it's not possible or not. Remember, 16 plus 16 is greater than 40 because ABC is a triangle. No, Rogan, ABC is a triangle. Rogan, ABC is a triangle. AB plus BC should be greater than BD or not. BD or not. Yes, no. Right. Okay, do this question now. Abhishek, it's only notational, Abhishek. If I look at it, it's only notational, it's only mirror impression. For example, how many years you can prepare a necklace with 4 stones? Is it 3 factorial or 3 factorial by 2, Abhishek? How many ways you can prepare a necklace with 4 stones? Do you call it as 3 factorial or 3 factorial by 2, Abhishek? In permutation combination. Yeah, that's all. Same thing holds good here. Right, do this question. Find the length of BD and the area of quadrilateral in the following figure. We'll do it faster. See, AB is 7, BC is 5, AD is 7, BC is 5, AC is 6. AC is 6. It's given AC is 6 here. And AC is given, 6 is given, not AE. That's a doubt here. AC is 6. That's why I'm modifying it. It's not AE is 6, AC is 6. Shall we discuss? Yeah, let's see. Area of triangle ABC equals area of triangle ABC. Are we clear? Okay, Abhishek. Abhishek, it takes time here. Do faster. Yes, let's discuss. Right. Area of triangle ABC equals area of triangle ADC. Are we clear? Area of triangle ABC is same as area of triangle ADC. Yes or no? Yes. So what's the area of a triangle? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So again, area of triangle ABC is 6 root 6. Area of triangle AD is also 6 root 6. So area of quadrilateral is 12 root 6. That means it eliminates two options. It eliminates two options. Does it eliminate two options or not? It eliminates two options. Then how do we do? Now, how do you find out BD? Most of you gave me a correct answer. How do you find AD? How do you find BD? AC is given as 6. How do you find BD? BD is perpendicular bisector of AC. Why? AC is a perpendicular bisector of BD. Why? I am writing a statement as BC equals CD and BA equals AD. CA is perpendicular bisector of BD. Now, before that, I have to prove that BD is a perpendicular bisector. What do we know in perpendicular bisector? What's the property of perpendicular bisector? If I have a line like this, it's a line segment. If I have a perpendicular bisector, if I take any point here, these two distances will be same. If this is same, I take a point here same, then this is supposed to be perpendicular bisector. Please note down. Right? What I did was, I took it as a perpendicular bisector. Because BC equals CD, BA equals AD, then CA is an angular bisector. From that you can get the answer. 6 root 6 equals half into 6 into BE, you get 4 root 6. Right. Yeah, I'm giving a proof for that. I have proven why kite has the diagonals perpendicular to each other. I'm giving a proof why in kite diagonals are perpendicular. Am I audible or not? Am I audible? Shobha, am I audible? No, I'm not speaking continuously. I'm speaking only when I need to speak. I'm not speaking continuously. Is it breaking? Is my voice breaking? I want others to answer. Okay, next one. I think this all of us know. I'm not going to discuss this question. Simple. Do this question. This is a CAT question. I want you to do that. This is a CAT question. Answer this question. This is a CAT 2011 question. A quadrilateral with sides AB 24, AD 9 and BC 16 is drawn. The sides AD and BC are parallel to one another. AD is perpendicular to AB. Triangle CPD is constructed such that etc. is given. Answer this question in 2 minutes from now. Diagram is self-explanatory. Questions are also clear. Nikunj, can you ask this question after this question is discussed? Nikunj, I'll answer this question once I answer this question. Is it okay? Shubha, do you hear me clearly now? Yes. What is 300 by 150? Clear engine data. What is 300 by 150? No, what's the ratio? Okay, right. I understand the answer you don't give us 300 by 150, give it as 2:1. Let's discuss. Okay, right. What's the area of quadrilateral? Is it a quadrilateral or is it a trapezium? Is this a quadrilateral or is it a trapezium? Trapezium, because AD and BC are parallel. What's the area of a trapezium? Half of sum of parallel sides into distance between them. So we know that area of quadrilateral is 300. All of us are clear? Area of quadrilateral is 300 is clear. Half of sum of parallel sides into the distance between them. Now, how do you find area of triangle? D is parallel to AB. D is 24. CD is 25. Therefore, we get dp square equals 81 square plus AP square. Are we clear? In triangle APD, DP square is nothing but 81 square plus AP square. All CD is 25. Rogan. What is DE, Rogan? D is 24. A is 7. What's a right angle triangle? 7, 24, 25 is right angle triangle or not? D is 24. This is 7. Right. From triangle BPC, we get CP square equals 256 plus BP square. Practice, when I draw a line parallel here, if this is 9, this becomes 9. 16 minus 9 is 7 or not? Nikunj, I am explaining. Nikunj, are you clear? It should be C. Sorry, it's not C. It is not A. This is C. That is C. Sorry, it should be C. Clear? Now, from triangle APD, DP square equals 81 plus AP square. From triangle BPC, CP square equals 256 plus BP square. Which one you want to be explained, Pragnesh? Pragnesh, what do you want me to explain? Not AE, that's a typing error, CE. Typing error CE, right. What is DP square plus CP square? What is DP square plus CP square? What is DP square plus CP square? CD square. What is CD square? 625. So 625 equals 81 square plus AP square plus 256 plus BP square. From that you get AP square plus BP square equals 288. AP plus BP is 24. Solving that you get AP equals BP equals 12. We know that CP square plus DP square is 625. Substituting equation 1 and 2, let's call this as 1, this is 2. Substituting in 3, you get AP square plus BP square equals 288. AP plus BP is 24 given. Solving that you get AP is 12, BP is 12. So if AP is 12, BP is 12, DP is 15, CP is 20. What's the area of triangle CPD? 150. What's the ratio? 2:1. Are we clear? Pragnesh, is CPD a right angle triangle? Pragnesh, CPD is a right angle triangle? Yes. DP square plus CP square is CD square. This is a CAT 2010 question. Next one. What is 596? What is 596 there? This is 15, this is 20, this is 25. What is DP square plus CP square, Rogan? What is DP square plus CP square? Alright, next one. Take this question, do it in 2 minutes. Do it in 2 minutes. Oh, Nikunj, sorry, what's your doubt you had, Nikunj? See, the property of perpendicular bisectors is, Nikunj, sorry, I'll take this down. If you have a line segment like this, if I draw a perpendicular bisector, if I take any point in this line, join this, and any point here, this will be equal to this, these two will be equal to this. So if these two are equal, these two are equal, this will be a perpendicular bisector. If I call this as line 1, L1 will be perpendicular bisector of BC. Clear, Nikunj? If I have a line segment, if I draw a line, if I find these points are equal, these sides are equal, then this must be a perpendicular bisector. Coming back to this question, do this. Shall we discuss? Yeah. Mohit, I've already given 2 minutes. You want 2 more minutes? Mohit, I've already given 2 minutes. Now you want 2 more minutes? Rajesh Kumar, you're giving one as an answer? Yes. Let AB be 3x, CD be 3x, BC is 3y, AD is 3y. What's area of triangle CRQ? XY. Answer is 5:9. Are we clear? Many of you posted 4:9. I don't know how you got 4:9. Is it 5:9? Are you clear with what I have written? I have taken AB as 3x and CD is 3x, BC as 3y and AD as 3y. I calculated the area of triangles. The area of the quadrilateral I got by subtracting from the rectangle. Answer is 5:9. Remember, in this kind of question, don't try to draw lines and decide this is 1/3, this is 1/4, this is 1/5. Easy to do is like this, 5:9. Always take smaller side as x and do that. It becomes easier. Right? Which one you want to explain and keep? Yeah, it can also be square. And that's why prayer engine, that's what I wanted to tell you. I wanted to tell you that x is irrelevant. X and y can be same. X and y can be same or not? X and y can be same. Yes, Ankit. I took AB as 3x and CD is 3x. PQS will definitely be a rectangle. Why? Why have a doubt on that? I don't know if it's a rectangle or not. Definitely it's a rhombus. All sides are equal or not? Bubli Ghosh, I'll come to that. Guys? No, it's a rhombus because PQ equals QR equals RS equals SP or not? Ankit, are you clear? I'm taking this 3x, 3y. Are we clear? Ankit, are you clear? So what's the area of a triangle? ASP, half base into height. What is half base into height? Half of x into 2y. Right, half of x into 2y is what? What's the area of a triangle? ASP, half of, what is this angle? 90 degrees? half of x into 2y, which is xy. Similarly, all sides become xy. Ankit, clear? Xy is clear to all of you? Xy is clear or not? Yes. Now, what's the area of the quadrilateral? ABC is 9xy. Subtract 4xy, you get 5xy. The answer is 5 by 9. X and y get cancelled means what is true for a rectangle is also true for the square here. What is true for the square is true for the rectangle here. Right, next one. Do this question, it's a simple one. Do it, 1 minute, in fact not more than 1 minute. I'll give you 90 seconds. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. Clear? Answer is first choice. Ajay Karthik, how is it 50? I didn't understand. How is it 50, Ajay? 120 minus 70. Where does 120 come into picture? What is this angle? This angle is 90 degrees. This is 20. This is 110. 140, 40. All angles I can find out. The difference is 40 degrees. Right, next one. Do this question quickly. Same question, do it in 1 minute. Slightly difficult. Do it in 90 seconds. Same 90 seconds. In fact, last time when I wrote CAT, there's a similar question on cyclic quadrilateral. Mohit, I've told you not to post answers in public. I still don't know whether the answer is right or wrong. I think we should follow some discipline because we are giving time for others. Right, shall we do the question? 90 seconds over. Join BC. If I join BC, what will happen? This angle CDEB is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, DCB becomes 50 degrees. What is angle ACB? 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle. And CAD equals CDA because AC equals CD. Therefore, CDA is 20 degrees. Remember, a question like this came in many slots last year. That's why I've given 2 questions, especially on cyclic quadrilateral. Next one. Rogan, is this clear? Join BC, not DB. Join BC. Join BC, Rogan. I've joined BC. Are you clear? Is CDEB a cyclic quadrilateral? Is CDEB a cyclic quadrilateral? So what is sum of opposite angles? 180 degrees. So DEB plus DCB should be 15. What is angle ACD? What is the angle ACD? What is angle ACD? 90 degrees. Why? Is it angle in a semicircle? Rogan, is it angle in a semicircle? Then you can answer the question. Right. The Sachin is always 130 is given, isn't it? 130 degrees is given. Sachin, 130 is given. Now, I know ACD is 90 degrees. I know ACD is 90 degrees. So I can find out DCB using cyclic quadrilateral. That's all. You join that. Right, next one. What's the area of a rhombus? What's the area of a rhombus? I'll skip this question. I want to ask you a question. What's the area of a rhombus? What's the area of a rhombus? All of you post the answers. What's the area of a rhombus? Okay, if the area of a four-sided figure is of D1, D2, what's the figure? Answer this question. If area of a four-sided figure is of D1, D2, what figure is that? In a four-sided quadrilateral, area is of D1, D2. What figure is that? Rhombus. Okay, wait. Answer this question. You have a question on the slide? Answer the question. Answer this question in 2 minutes. It's a trapezium. Answer this question in 2 minutes. Sixteen. Yes or no? Are you trying or shall we discuss? Or you want one more minute? Area triangle AEB and triangle CED are similar or not? Triangle AEB and CED are similar or not? In a trapezium, yes. Then AE by EC equals BE by ED equals AB by CD, which is 3 by 1. Therefore, AE is 9, C is 3. This is 4. This is 12. That means diagonals bisect are perpendicular to each other or not? Diagonals are perpendicular. What is 3, 4, 5? Is it sides of a right angle triangle? 9, 12, 15 are sides of a right angle triangle. Therefore, what's the area? Now here, areas of D1, D2. Is it a trapezium or is it a rhombus? I want you to ask this question. Here the areas of D1, D2, is this a rhombus or a trapezium? This figure definitely is not a rhombus. It's a trapezium or not? That means area, if it's a rhombus, areas of D1, D2. The area of a quadrilateral of D1, D2, it need not be a rhombus. Please note down that. If it's a rhombus, the areas of D1, D2, if the areas of D1, D2, it need not be a rhombus. If I live in Chennai, I live in India. Does it mean that if I live in India, I live in Chennai? Answer this question. If I live in Chennai, I live in India. I live in India, does it mean I live in Chennai? Similarly, if it's a rhombus, areas of D1, D2. If the areas of D1, D2, should it be a rhombus or it need not be a rhombus? Answer the question. If it's areas of D1, D2, is it a rhombus or need not be a rhombus? Need not be a rhombus. Whenever diagonals are perpendicular in a quadrilateral, area will be of D1, D2. Note that if the diagonals are perpendicular in a quadrilateral, area will be of D1, D2. It need not be a rhombus. Here, definitely it's not a rhombus. Is this a rhombus? Definitely rhombus. We know it's a trapezium. Sides are not equal. I gave this because in a data sufficiency question, if the area is given as of D1, D2, let's not assume it's a rhombus. It can even be a trapezium. It can even be a quadrilateral where diagonals are perpendicular. Possible or not? That's the reason why I wanted this question to be done. Right. What's the area of triangle? What is the area of triangle EFC? Take note. What's the ratio of triangle EFC to parallelogram ABCD? Do this question. Yeah, Deepika, you're right. Right, how do you do this question? What the area of triangle? I'll do that. What's the area of triangle? ABD. Area of triangle BDC will be half of area of parallelogram. Are we clear? Area of triangle BCD will be half of area of parallelogram. So I am discussing the question. Area of triangle BCD will be half of area of parallelogram. Yes or no? Now, join BF. What's the area of triangle BCF? Half of area of triangle BDC, which means therefore the answer is 1/8. Abhijyoti, clear? BCD is half of area of parallelogram. Yes, Mohit, tell me what's the doubt. Mohit, what's the doubt? EF will be parallel to BD. Yes, always. EF will be parallel to BD. Whenever in a triangle, you join the midpoints of sides. Remember, in any triangle, you join the midpoints of sides, it will be parallel to the third side. It's always parallel. What if you have a question like this in the cat, it doesn't say, you take it as a square, what will happen? If you take it as a square, will it change? Let's say take it as a square. Let's say sides are 4. When they join this, what will happen? 2, 2. What's area of this triangle? 2. What's area of the biggest square? 16. What is 2 by 16? Is square a parallelogram? Is square a parallelogram? That's all. Use it. If not, what comes with it, I should use that. As long as there's no choice which says cannot be determined, none of this. Remember, as long as there's no choice which says cannot be determined, none of this, I can always assume it to be a square. Yeah, if I join the midpoints of 4 sides, area will be half. I agree with you. Let's say these are midpoints. This will be 2, this will be 2, this will be 2. This becomes 8. 8 by 16 is 1 by 2 or not? Ajay? 8 by 16 is 1 by 2. Remember, look at choices. If there's no choice which says cannot be determined, none of this, I can always use a square here. Does it make a difference here? It doesn't make a difference here. I took the sides to be 4. I know the area of the small triangle is 2. Area of the square is 16. What is 2 by 16? 1 by 8. Why did I do that? There is no choice which says cannot be determined, and none of this. Right? We'll stop here. Tomorrow you have a class. Your videos have been uploaded. Could you access that? We'll stop here. It's been uploaded, I think. Sachin, you have accessed that? You have to go to the website. I think it's uploaded. With Sachin, it has been uploaded or not? See, it's not, I don't have to send the link. You can go to the website, there's a link there. Videos will be uploaded. If videos are not uploaded, it will be uploaded in a day or 2. I think it's uploaded, I think. Sachin, is it uploaded? Can you tell the others, is it uploaded or not? I don't think. Rogan, you have to go and upload. Okay, today's will come, maybe SS class will come tomorrow. I mean, I don't know, Ravi. I'll come to that. I'll say that tomorrow it comes up tomorrow, right? You could have seen me in the first one, Player Engine Vector. You could have seen me in the first e-magazine we have uploaded. I'll check that another day. I'll check that up. I'll give the video also. I'll check that up. Tomorrow I'll see that. Right? Yes. Naveen, what I said is maybe there are some peculiar diagrams which may not satisfy this. For example, Naveen, we know that areas of D1, D2 is a rhombus. We also thought that if the area is of D1, D2, it should be rhombus. Is it a rhombus, Naveen? Naveen, do you understand? See, we know that if the area is of D1, D2, we assumed it to be a rhombus. Is it a rhombus or is it a trapezium in the question I gave? Naveen. That's right. See, remember when the choices cannot be determined under this, there could be one figure which may not satisfy what is true for a square. Square is only a specific form of a parallelogram, where sides are equal, angles are 90 degrees. Whereas parallelogram is not necessarily like that. I'll check the averages. I have not checked that today. I'll check it and tell you tomorrow. Most likely by tomorrow, if you don't get it, tell me. You send an email to me. I've already given you my email. Yeah, Megadev, yes. If the diagonals in a quadrilateral perpendicular to each other, then the area is product of the diagonals. Remember, that's how it goes. If I draw a triangle, let's say I have a quadrilateral where diagonals are perpendicular. This is the diagonals. This is my quadrilateral. If this is X, this is Y. What's area of triangle ABC? Half of AC into X. What's area of triangle ADC? Half of AC into Y. Is nothing but half of AC into X plus Y, which is BD. Negative, are you clear? Negative, are you clear? See, somebody has posted, videos are there. Player Engine Vector has posted that videos are there. Check it out. All of you, please check out. Videos are there. Check it out. Well, we'll wait and see. Tomorrow I'm taking a class on numbers also. I'll see. Right. Good night to all of you.